I'll guide you on using masks in CapCut on your phone. It's quite simple, as you can see here. Let's dive into the process carefully. It's very easy and simple. First, open CapCut and add your video. As you can see here carefully, add a photo or more. What's next? How do we use the mask? The mask is generally used like this. It's used like this. First, we can copy it. That's not quite right. We should copy it, then place it below, as you can see here. Copy it precisely, then position it downwards. Now, as you can see here, we're going to apply the mask carefully, ensuring it fits perfectly. Now the mask should be right here. Tap on this segment and search for the mask, as you can see here, to proceed with the next steps. Here's the mask. Now we choose the shape, whether it's a star, heart, or another design. Select carefully to match your creative vision. Square. Now, as you can see here, we have this option. For example, we choose a square. To start, we need to adjust it carefully, ensuring it fits. So we select this option. Then choose the mask again and pick a square. Here's how it looks, as you can see. However, we need to remove the mask from this section, as you can see here. Here's how we do it. Simply remove it carefully. Tap OK to confirm the changes. Here we have the mask option, as you can see. With this mask, we can resize it larger or smaller to fit perfectly. Use something like this. With this mask, we can of course move it around freely, as you can see here, adjusting its position to perfectly fit the scene. We can resize it larger or smaller, move it up or down, and adjust it freely, as you can see here, to fit perfectly. Next, apply a vignette effect for a cool rounded edge look, as you can see here. Adjust the size and position to your liking, and you're all set. You can do this easily, as you can see here. Thank you all for watching. Best of luck, and goodbye for now.